Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite with a cracked display, although you can't really see it from this angle. But on this one, you see it's glowing. So right here, we're gonna remove the back cover to start off the repair. And this Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite has a very unique damage behavior. So you can see that there's crack on the top half of the display, but on the bottom half, whenever you try to wake this smartphone up, it just glows and it's slowly propagating up. So that's a characteristic of a damaged controller. And of course, the LED lights are also damaged upon impact. So we're going to remove the connector for the fingerprint scanner on this one before we can put the back cover to the side. And then we're going to unscrew the motherboard shroud. David is already marking some of the screws. Maybe those are important. And then we're going to try to detach the battery and the front display connector. So for testing purposes, of course. So right here we can see if it's even working. Yep, it's working, but it's really drained. So the battery needs to be recharged. Right there, it's showing the Mi logo. This is a good sign actually. And then for the first time in a long time, we can see that the display is showing us something. We already changed the charger to make it charge a bit faster. I think this white charger is the fast charger. And it's working. Although we need to recharge it sooner. But the display is all working except for the buttons. I think the button is really damaged, especially the volume down button, or maybe David is just pushing it down. So you can see there it's not really responding. I think that's another repair to be made here, but the display is working, so we're gonna go with that. The battery is still 7%, and the cameras are all working. I think this is a very usable smartphone once the display is already replaced. I'm gonna shut it down, detach the cable for the display and remove the battery, and then peel off the connector for the display and move to the front. So we're gonna remove this. And it's surprisingly easy to remove front display, unlike other smartphones. And then we're gonna try to do this safely still. And there you go. So a bit of cleaning on the old adhesive so that the replacement display will be flushed when we install it. Maybe we can also detect if there's cracks. So we're gonna test fit the replacement display, and that's done. So we're gonna try to make this final by putting a fresh layer of liquid glue. So we're gonna push that through the slot, align, and then push it in. I think this is gonna be a straightforward process. So if there are issues with your Xiaomi smartphones or your Oppo smartphones, here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we also do a lot of variations of different smartphone models and brands. If you have like your entry-level Samsung device, we also fix those. If you have a very high-end iPhone or very high-end Asus ROG phone, we also fix those. You see here, this is a very niche, I think, brand, and David is very happy. He's done this work well. unsurprisingly. And this Xiaomi Mi 8 is a very niche, but we still fix it for clients who visit our shop. If you have a similar issue with your Samsung or your iPhone, don't hesitate to message us. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will see a lot of repair videos uploaded daily. And maybe you can learn to fix your own smartphone. If you don't, we're here to be your backup. So we're just gonna close it up. This is gonna be ready for the client. And watch out for our new uploads later on. And thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.